Today my seminar topic is maxim of teaching and role of teacher in effective teaching. Maxim in general is the truth down from the science of experience. Educationists and teachers have advocated numerous rules of conduct for teaching which is called maxim. These maxims are of universal significance and every teacher is expected to be familiar with this maxim of teaching. Now I discuss the different maxim of teaching. First, from known to unknown. In this teaching, the most natural and simple way of teaching a lesson is to proceed from something that the students already know to those facts which they do not know. And next, proceed from easy to difficult. In this teaching, teach easy matter first and difficult one in the last. Division of content into easy and difficult is done from pupil's point of view for this purpose. And next, in this teaching, and next proceed from simple to complex. In this teaching, similar ideas are to be taught before more difficult ones. Proceeding from simple to complex subjects matter provides an appropriate learning sequence. And next, proceed from the concrete to abstract. In this teaching, abstract things are confusing and difficult to comprehend, whereas concrete things can be visualized and are relatively simple and understandable. And next, proceed from particular to general. Before giving principle and rules, particular examples should be presented. And next, proceed from empirical to rational. In this teaching, observation and experience are the basics of empirical knowledge. Rational knowledge implies a certain amount of abstraction and approach. And next, proceed from psychological to logical. While teaching, psychological principles of teaching should be kept in mind, and then teaching should proceed to the logical arrangement of the subject matter. Now I discuss role of teacher in effective teaching. The role of teacher is to help students apply concepts through classroom instruction and presentation. His role is also to prepare lessons, progress report, manage the classroom, meet with parents, and work closely with school staff. Now I discuss duties of a teacher. First, duties of teacher: prepares lesson plans, and next, import teaching to small as well as large group of students, and next, access students abilities, and next, prepare students for standardized tests, and next, develop and enforce classroom rules, and next, plan for field trips. Now I discuss role of teacher in effective teaching. First, teacher as a knowledge transmitter. The responsibilities of the teacher is to transmit knowledge and understanding to students in a topic appropriate via teaching learning process. The teacher uses lecture method to deliver the knowledge to the students. And next, teacher as a facilitator. A teacher arrange classroom activities in such a manner that students are involved in those activities. And next, teacher as a communicator. The role of a teacher is to use an appropriate language as per standard of the students. Problems are given to them according to their level of development. And next, teacher as a mediator. The teacher encourages the students to undergo problem solving. While working on the problem, they observe the situation closely and apply their existing knowledge to solve the problem. Many questions emerge in the mind of the students. And next, teacher as a reflector. The role of a teacher is to think over his teaching practices, analyzing how something was taught and how the practice might to be improved or changed for better learning outcome. The teacher asks questions and allows time, which calls for depth of thinking beyond knowledge or comprehension. Sometimes the teacher uses students' comment as a source of feedback about the learning environment. And next, teacher as a negotiation. The most important skill that a teacher uses for classroom management is negotiation. Nowadays, teacher and students have very different relationships in comparison to the past generation. Thank you.